Most people are using AI as a toy. They're missing the biggest transfer of wealth in human history. Individual tools are just pieces of a puzzle, but a pile of bricks isn't a house. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint. I am pulling back the curtain on the 3 core systems that turn a mobile phone into a 24/7 digital empire. No more hacks, just full-scale automation. But before we dive into the first tool, pay close attention. The last tool I'm showing you is what actually allows this to scale globally. Don't skip it. Tool number 1, Gumloop. First, meet the brain of the operation, Gumloop. If you want to scale, you have to stop doing tasks. In my system, I don't post videos. My system does. I don't respond to leads. My system does. Gumloop is the glue. It connects all your apps into one flow. For example, when a new trend peaks, Gumloop triggers a script, generates the audio, and pushes the final file to my editor. 0 clicks. Total sovereignty. If you're finding this useful, make sure you're subscribed. We release these system deep dives every week to keep you ahead of the algorithm. Tool number 2, ChatGPT 5.2. Now that the brain is set up, you need a leader. Transitioning from worker to architect requires a CEO. We move to the executive office. We use the 5.2 enterprise model as a digital CEO. Every Sunday, I upload my raw analytics. I don't ask it what I should post. I ask it to identify revenue leaks. It analyzes which hooks converted to bio clicks and rewrites my strategy for the following week based on cold data. In 2026, the person with the best data wins. Stop guessing, start calculating. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. But here is where the empire actually becomes an empire. You cannot be everywhere at once, unless you have a clone. The final piece is presence. With ElevenLabs Voice Cloning 2.0, my brand is a global asset. I take one master video and deploy it in 29 different languages simultaneously. The system adjusts the cadence for a Spanish audience, a Hindi audience, and a Mandarin audience. 29 channels for the price of one. You don't need a bigger team, you need better clones. You now have the tools and the strategy, but tools change. The map remains. The AI wealth map is the exact logic of how to connect these systems so they pay you while you live your life. The era of manual labor is over. The doors to the empire are open. If you're ready to stop trading time for money, do 2 things right now. Click the link in the description to download the full AI wealth map. It's the blueprint for everything we just discussed. Subscribe and turn on notifications. This channel is your mobile-only command center for the AI revolution. I'm Nomalos the Navigator. The system is live. I'll see you inside.